So today we're going to be talking about how to raise your engagement on Instagram. Cue intro. So there are a few tips and tricks you can do to raise your engagement. If you get anything from this video and you like the content I'm providing, please like below or subscribe to my channel. Right, so now let's get into it. For raising your engagement, there are a few things you have to consider first of all, like bots. If you've bought bots before, you're going to be in a lot harder position to raise your engagement. That's one of the issues for buying followers, that we say don't buy followers and fake followers. Now it's in 2020, Instagram is also going hard on this, along with automation. So don't use any automated software to build your following. Just because Instagram's cracking down, they're going to end up deleting your account, or you're going to get banned, or something bad's going to happen. So what you have to do for starting off, go through all the people that are following you and just have a look and see if you have any ghost followers. You can tell what a ghost follower is by it'll be someone who doesn't have any posts, doesn't have a display picture, doesn't interact with any of your content, and basically it's just pointless being there. Go through and delete all of your ghost followers. By deleting your ghost followers, when you post your content, organically your content then will start showing to more people, or it won't be wasted showing to followers that aren't even real followers. As we said with the bots and the automation, Instagram is going through and they are starting to get all these accounts deleted. Another point is you want to be clear on exactly what your account is about. So with your account, do you know exactly what niche you're in? Are you putting just content that is for that niche? Is everything related and relevant to your page? Moving on to another point, if you're following about 7,000 people, you need to bring your following down. Bring your following down by going through, just having a big spring cleaning of any followers that you're following that aren't following you back, that are just not really worthwhile having on there, that are not related to your niche, or just not really any point following them. If you have a big spring cleaning, bring it down to, I wouldn't really like to follow. If you have 1,000 people in your account, you shouldn't really be following more than 1,000 people. The second point is you need to be more consistent with your posts. So when you're posting, you want to make sure you're posting, if it's not daily, every other day, or at least minimum once or twice a week. By doing this, you're then going to start getting more of a rolling momentum, and I find the more consistent I am with my posts, the higher my engage goes up. With that as well, also we're talking about hashtags. So hashtags, you want to be using relevant hashtags with your posts. And in your captions, you want to be adding captions, long, lengthy captions, or at least captions asking questions, or just a bit more of a description. Make good quality content, basically. Oh, that's another point. You want to be making good quality content. So don't be posting stuff that's just not engaging at all. Now we have all the basic stuff covered. What you want to do is you want to look back on your feed and have a look through your photos and see what was getting the most engagement. Were you getting more engagement by having selfies of yourself? Were you getting more engagement when you're posting quotes? Were you getting more engagement when it was you on a beach? Whatever it is you were getting more engagement with on your feed, look through and try and post more stuff that is similar to that. Another trick I like to do is I like to add major cities in your location. It's like adding an extra hashtag, so then you'll start ranking for people that are looking within that location. That can boost your engagement on your post. Now, maybe you've tried all these points and you're still not getting good engagement. What I've noticed is it seems to be going in up and down spikes as Instagram is going along and changing more into the new Facebook. So some weeks I'll be posting really good quality content. I'll be posting all the hashtags. I wouldn't have changed anything, but then the next week I won't be getting as much organic reach. This is just the way the algorithm seems to be working at the moment. There's nothing really you can do about it, but you can just watch and monitor it. And when you're in the high peak of the engagement, and you're getting good engagement, you want to be going all out, making sure you're putting your best content on. You want to be making sure you're posting daily, and you're just being the best you can be while you have that peak of organic reach. Now to the main point of getting engagement within your community is building a strong community. So if you can go in, and the way I like to do this is go in and you can start writing DMs to members that are following you, people that are always commenting on your stuff. Just go in, just start a conversation, start being social with them, build a relationship, make friends. If you can start doing that with all of your fan base, if you spend 10 minutes every day and choose at least 1 or 2 followers to go in and just start a conversation with and become friends with them, start talking to them, like their posts, comment on other people's stuff that are within your following, that way no matter what happens, you're going to get your newsfeed will then rank into their newsfeed. So just to recap everything you've got to be consistent with your posts, you've got to be posting good quality content, you have to be engaging with your audience. By engaging, I mean you have to be make friends, be social. The more social you are on there with your following, the stronger your following will be and the more engagement you will get, and you'll always rank in their news feeds.